Namaste, Namaskara, Vanakkam, and welcome. Today, welcome to Tales with Trisha. Today, I will be telling the story of the hare or the rabbit and the tortoise. A rabbit in Hindi is a karkosh, in Tamil, it is a muyal, and in Malayalam and Kannada, it is a mole. A tortoise in Hindi is a kachua, and in Tamil, Malayalam, and Kannada, it is an ame. Once upon a time, there was a rabbit and a tortoise who used to live in a forest. The rabbit was very rude and it used to go around saying, "I am such a fast rabbit. Nobody else can ever beat me in a race because I move fast, fast, fast." Everybody else used to listen to the rabbit. And one day the rabbit decided to start making fun of other animals. So the rabbit looked around, and it saw the tortoise. The tortoise was walking slowly, 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 slowly. So the rabbit looked at the tortoise and started laughing. "Ha, ha, 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 ha. You are such a small, slow tortoise. I am so fast and you are so slow. You will never be able to beat me in running." Tortoise felt very bad. So the tortoise looked at the rabbit and said, "Okay, Mr. Rabbit, let us have a race. Let us see who comes first." The rabbit looked at the tortoise and started laughing again. He said, "Mr. Tortoise, you think you can beat me? I'm so fast. But okay, let's have a race so that everyone can laugh at you." So both the rabbit and the tortoise decided that they were going to have a race. On the day of the race, the full jungle came to watch the rabbit and the tortoise run against each other. They both stood at the starting line and the rabbit again started laughing. "Ah, you should just give up now, Mr. Tortoise. I am so fast. I can even sleep in this race and I can still beat you in this race." The tortoise said, "No, I will still race with you, Mr. Rabbit. It is okay, please." Next, then the rabbit and the tortoise began their race. The rabbit started running fast, 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 and he was beating the tortoise by so much. Suddenly, he looked back and he could not see the tortoise near him anywhere on the race. So he said, "Now I will show the tortoise that I can even sleep in this race and that I will still beat him." So the rabbit, feeling so happy, just went to sleep and started and ignored the race just so that he could say he was so fast. The tortoise was moving slowly, 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 and it reached the rabbit who was sleeping in the middle of the race. The tortoise looked at the rabbit and felt, "Oh, I can actually beat the rabbit if he's just sleeping." So he kept moving slowly, 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 slowly towards the finish line. The rabbit was still sleeping and thought the tortoise is so slow. So the tortoise moved, 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 and reached the finish line. The tortoise came first. Next, they woke up the rabbit, and the rabbit looked around. "Tortoise reached the finish line first? He's faster than me? Oh no, Mr. Tortoise, I'm very sorry. I shouldn't have been so mean. I should always know that slow and steady wins the race." Thank you for listening.